Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an application for absent. What is an application for absent? An application for absent is a formal request or written communication submitted to an institution, such as a school or workplace, to inform them about an individual's upcoming absence, or to seek approval for a planned absence. It may include details such as the reason for the absence, the duration, and any supporting documentation if required. These applications are commonly used to ensure that the absence is recorded and managed according to the institution's policies and procedures. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an application for absent step by step. Check this out. First of all, write your information as the writer of this letter. You must write your full name. You can also add your job position in the company, or your grade at school, as well as the name of the company or school. And then, write your home address. You need to include the home number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. You need to write their full name. And write their occupation in the company, or school. For example, the letter is addressed to the principal. Or you can also address it to teachers. Or human resources manager, if you are an employee. Write the name of the company or school. And write the address of the company or school. Yes, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code as well. Once you complete these information, open the letter with salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Ms. or Mrs., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can begin by stating the purpose of your letter and the reason for your leave of absence. For example as, I, Emma Davis, am writing to formally request a leave of absence from Maplewood High School. Of course, you need to include the dates you intend to be absent. Write the period, for example as, from December 10, 2023, to December 15, 2023. In the second paragraph, state clearly the reason of your leave, how it is urgency or important to you. In this example, the writer needs to leave because of family events. So, if you have the same case, you can write, "The reason for my leave is to attend a family reunion that has been planned for these dates." Besides that, you need to explain how you plan to manage your responsibilities during your absence. Convince the recipient that your absence will not cause a problem. So you can simply write, "I understand the importance of my academic responsibilities. And I will ensure that my absence does not disrupt my studies. Whether it's work-related or academic obligations." Expressing your understanding of the importance of your responsibilities, and your commitment to ensuring a smooth transition during your absence is really a must here. Therefore, you shouldn't skip it. In the third paragraph, this is where you give all details how your job will be covered by your colleague. Or, if you are a student, write that you will catch up on missed lessons. In this example, the writer stated, "During my absence, I will make arrangements to complete any assignments or coursework. And I will catch up on missed lessons." After stating that, you can then mention your availability for communication during your leave. Simply, you can write something like, "I will also be reachable by email or phone in case of any class-related inquiries." And there, you can write your contact information like phone number or email address. In the fourth paragraph, request approval for your leave. I kindly request your understanding and approval of this leave request. And once again, convince the recipient how attending this event is very crucial to you and family. Just write the urgency about attending it. For example, I believe that attending this family reunion is a significant family obligation. For the next, write the prompt date when you will be back at work or school. Write the month, date, and year. For example and I assure you that I will return to school promptly on December 16, 2023. In the fifth paragraph, express your gratitude for their consideration. If you don't know what to write, just simply copy this. Thank you for considering my request. I look forward to your positive response. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name, as well as your job position, or class at school. Write also the student or employee ID if it is any. So, that's how you write an application letter for absence step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.